Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. What to do if toilet seat lid assembly becomes loose? First, try pressing down on the toilet seat lid assembly to check whether the buckle is not properly installed. Second, lift up the toilet seat lid assembly and check whether these two buckles are in good condition. If there are missing or broken corners, the two buckles need to be replaced. If there are no damages, try closing the toilet seat lid assembly again and pressing it firmly to see if the buckles can snap into place. Next, we will demonstrate how to replace the buckles. To replace the buckles, lift up the toilet seat lid assembly and use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the fixing screws. After loosening the screws, you can remove the buckle, then take a new buckle and install it back. The buckles on both sides are removed and installed in the same way. After that, check whether the buckle is properly installed. If it is misaligned or the position is inaccurate, loosen the screw, adjust the position, and then tighten the screw again. Make sure the buckle can completely fit into these two holes on the toilet seat lid assembly. Once there's no problem, align and secure it back onto the ceramic body.